Hi, I'm Lucas Lenarduzzi, Service Manager at Overseas Motors Mercedes-Benz, and today we will be talking about the maintenance schedule timeline for your vehicle. One of the things to focus on throughout the year are routine maintenance schedules. These schedules help keep you on a timeline to maintain proper vehicle health. Here at Overseas Motors Mercedes-Benz, we will take you step by step through each of the important elements. First and foremost, regular maintenance is key to good vehicle health. This includes the general tire rotation, oil changes, and filter replacements. Much of this can be done on your own, like checking the tires or maintaining the oil levels. However, the changes such as using specific oil, filter, and brakes should be done by professionals. Most dealerships focus on a 30, 60, 90 maintenance schedule. The first one is 30,000 kilometers. Two key elements here are the fuel and air filters. The air filter is usually recommended to be replaced between 15 and 30,000 kilometers. In a dusty area, you should replace it sooner. This helps your systems run smoothly. The fuel filter helps your engine run well. A clogged filter will make it drive. Most auto companies suggest around 30,000 kilometers. It is best to ask us as it might be different for your vehicle. Between 30 and 60,000 kilometers, you will need to do some more intensive maintenance. First up, your battery. Batteries should be replaced around every 5 years. This is important to keep the vehicle running well. If you feel a drag on the system, or the engine does not turn over properly, the battery might be the problem. Other things to look at are the brake system, including braking fluids, pads, and shoes. Additionally, coolant and transmission fluid should be changed at this point as well. As the vehicle starts to round out at the 90,000 kilometer mark, you will need to look at and possibly replace several elements. One of the big portions will be the hoses. These things can run out dry and begin to crack, resulting in leakage. Secondly, power steering fluid will be needed to be looked at as well. Many of the system fluids are meant to work for many thousands of kilometers, but they will often need to be replaced after a while. Thank you very much and drive safely, everyone.